Ladies and gentlemen, and all the rest of you space pirates out there, hello, and welcome back to Space Engineers. Finally. And boy, do we have a heck of a mess to clean up here where we left off. We definitely bit off more than we could chew, and we got chased down by a custom ship, which the mod has been removed. I'm not going to deal with that. But, yeah, we got ourselves a mess to clean up. Our ship here got completely obliterated. Poor little, who is this, Bob? Bob. That you, Bob? You, Bob. I think you're Bob. My antenna got messed up. Lost a lot of my thrusters in the rear, too. Bob got hurt. Our platform got a little hurt. And our door had some of his teeth knocked out. So yeah, we got a mess to clean up, but I think what I'm going to do, I think I've been honestly wasting a little too much time and a little too many resources on a base that we're going to be leaving. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut here, and I am going to cut down everything here. Pretty much everything up to about right here. Just cut it all down and be done with it. And what I'm going to do in the next episode or two is actually redesign a couple of our ships, which I've mentioned before. But with Bob here now completely crippled, well, not completely crippled, but close, hurting, and a lot of resources wasted with multiple things here, I'm going to redesign this into two separate ships, and I'll probably also go out and grab some materials. But anyway, I'm going to cut here, and I'll see you when I get back to a point where I'm not just boringly grinding crap down. Yeah, be back soon. What the hell? Well, that sucked. Oops. No crap. Alrighty. We are back to square one. Yeah. Square two, maybe. Yeah. We got rid of all of that unnecessary crap. Why is it unnecessary crap? Well, I'll tell you why it's unnecessary crap. Because we're not going to live here on this damn asteroid. We're space pirates. We live on a ship. So we're going to build us a ship. First thing we're going to do is we're going to build us our two building and deconstruction ships. We need to get those back, something a little more useful and usable. And I don't think I'm going to worry about modifying this for now. It's ugly, but we can use it. And you know what? Hold that thought. Let me check something real quick. Alright, we're back. And yeah, I am out of iron again. I need more cobalt. Need platinum. Need gold. I could use a little more silver. We got plenty of silicon. We got plenty of nickel. A little bit of gravel. So we need magnesium, cobalt. No, we got cobalt. Magnesium, platinum, gold, silver, and iron. So I am going to go ahead and spend some time, again off camera, and I'll bring you back when you start building something, but I'm going to go and gather up all those materials we need so we don't have to keep running out in the middle of all of it. So I'm going to break here, do some mining, and I'll be right back. Alright, I got all that digging done. Now I wonder, let's go ahead and check that. Let's see what we got as far as components go here. We got, what are we really low on? Not not a lot, actually. We're doing okay. Girders we don't really need. Yeah, we're pretty decent on items right now for anything outside of a giant ship. So let us go ahead and start building us a new welder ship and a new grinder ship. And no more tool bits. We're not doing that. That's that's a waste of materials, and it's kind of cumbersome. So let's go into here. Go ahead and grab my tools. We need that and that. And let's see. Go ahead and give me some of those. Those. That. And I think that's it to get me started. So the ship I'm going to try to build, and where is all my stuff? I gotta put it back on my bar. That I'm going to try to build is based off of a little ship that I built probably after the swappable tool ship. But anyway, I don't like how the new building system works. I like being able to plop down a I forgot what's a landing gear. But, really? I have to do that first? I have to do that first. Lovely. Alright, so let's do that and that. Anyway, plop down a landing gear and build off of it and not have to worry about it flying off. But I can't do that now. Why? Actually, I maybe can. Let's test this. Let's test something here. Let's see if we get us a landing gear. I know it's not available for station. Well aware of that. Thank you. So let's do that. And weld it up and let's see if it attaches. I need a motor. Because this may be the answer to my prayers, because I tend to bump into things while I'm building, and off it goes into the blacky inkiness of space. Now, are you attached? You're attached. Hallelujah! Okay, bitchy rant is over. Back to building. Alright, let's pick this thing up a little bit. Oops. Come back here. Come back here! Thank you. Alrighty, let's get this thing off the ground a little bit so we can work. And what I need to do, foist. Let's go into here, go into cargo and that, grab that. And I think that's it for the moment. Let's drop that. Interior plates. Okay. Give me the interior plates. We're going to drop that right there. And then we're going to go back into here and grab that. And drop that right there. And then, what is it, the medium? I think I used the medium cargo containers. Where are they at? They is right there. One of these on either side. Bump. And bump. And then we're going to go back to our conveyors. Get us a curve on either one. Put a curve. Thank you. I think this is how I did it. Maybe. That is not how I did it. I'm doing it backwards. It's too wide. So let's do that. And then we're going to go back to our curve block. There. One. Here. Flip you around. Like that. Now we go back to the medium container. Do that. And that. And now we'll grab our tool. Where is it at? We're going to do a grinder ship first. No, we're not. We're going to do a weld chip first. There we go. Flip around there, buddy. Bump and bump. There's the front of our ship. Now, if I'm remembering right, I believe I place this, get up here buddy, right about there. And if I can learn how to go down here, here we go. Yeah, I think that's about how I did it. But then we got to figure out where to place our reactors. And I did the other ship in creative, so I can't actually get to the reactors. And I kind of buried them on the inside, which was not a very smart thing to do, let me tell you what. But I did it anyway. So we're going to redesign that a little bit. Where's my gyros? Right there. Alright, so we're going to place these right here. I'm going to put 4 of them. That should be enough power to do what we need to do. And we are then going to place our gyros right there. 2 of them should be all we need. And from there, it's all about placing the, what you call them, the thrusters and the skin. But basically, we're going to build 2 of these identical with just different tools up front. So I'm taking what I did. I'm going to weld this up, and I'm going to bring you back when I'm ready to place in the thrusters and the skin. Be back shortly. And I don't think I'm going to do speedy up bits in this because of the fact that I want to try to build 2 of these tonight and have that finished for this episode. So we're basically just going to do some jump cuts, and I'll be back soon. Alrighty. So there it is. Now we got to skin it up and put in some thrusters. And I don't think I'm going to worry about using the those real powerful thrusters, the ones I have on the mole. But I will use these covered ones because they look better. They really do. And anyway, let's get to putting our thrusters on. And we're going to start with our reverse thrust. Yeah. And oh, wait. Yeah, we don't need that much. This is not a high-speed ship by any stretch of the imagination. So let's put that there, there. All right. Now we need our forward thrust. Again, we don't need much because this is not. What amount? Steel tubes, large steel tubes. Give me some more of those. Bam. You know what? Hang on. Let's get rid of that. Oop, I don't want to get rid of those. Give me those back. Get rid of those, and yeah, I can carry some more stuff when I need it. All right. Let's see. Let's do 1, 2, 3, and let's do a total of 4, just so we can move around a little bit better. So there's that. Now I need my up thrust, and to get that going, I need that. 1, 2. Underneath. 1, 2. And now my side to side. 1, 2. And turn around here. Here we go. I'm out of large steel tubes again. Bother. Give me them tubes. Tubes. Here, and made a mistake. Let's see here. Get rid of that one and that one, and let's do this instead. Yeah, I can make that look good. And there's all of our thrusters, maybe? Up, down, left, right, to, and fro. Yeah, there's all of our thrusters. Alright. I'm going to get these welded up, and I'll bring it back for a quick look before I skin it down. Alright, back for just a quick second. There's all the thrusters all welded up, and I really do love these armored thrusters. I wish those were a part of the actual game instead of a mod. And I may have to extend the length of this connector here, because I think I might be a little too far in, and I'm not remembering exactly the shape of it. Some things are definitely different than they were when I built it, but that's no big deal. But I think I will have to extend this out with one or two of those frames to bring it up at least right here. We'll worry about that when we get this thing in flight. Actually, we can test that right now, can't we? Because we got everything on there. Let's grab some urinum. Let's grab let's grab 8 pieces, 2 in each one of the reactors. That'll be more than enough. So let's get this powered up. Alright, she's powered up. Okay. Alright, get over here. And there we go. Now let's cut our bottom off down here. There we go. Alright, we steer well. That's good. We're not overpowering, so that's also good. Alright. Let's see if we make it into our thingamadoodle over here. Whoop. Alright. Down we go. Yep. Gonna have to extend it. Okay, that's easy enough to do. So let's back it out of here. Lower it down a little bit. And I am going to cut here again. Go ahead and skin it up, extend this nose out a little bit, and I'll bring you back for the finished product. Alrighty, we are back. And we have ourselves a little welding ship, which is completely unnamed. Let's get in here and name this little fella here. And get away from the machines, because they're loud. So let's go in here. Got a control panel right there. And we shall name the Ed. Ed has returned. Ed has definitely returned. And we're going to call him Ed because we have Bob, who has completely given up being a worker on buildings, and we're going to give the mole an official name. We're going to call the mole. Where is it? There it is. Bob. He got a promotion. He has been promoted to the drill ship, so he gets to sit around and do next to nothing most of the day, while the other guys do all the work. So we have Bob, and we have Ed. You know, actually, I named this one wrong. This guy's the healer. Hang on a second. This guy's the healer. We got to go in here and change this guy's name because that's not right. That's not the right name. Ow. Yep. Owl it is. We got to change his color too. So let's go ahead and fix that. Let's go into here and give us a slightly dark white, I guess. That's sort of a eggshelly color, I guess. I kind of wish we could work up a proper silver, maybe. Right there. Perfect. And there we go. There's Al. Now we got to work on his brother ship. So let's get him out of the way. Down here out of the way. I'm going to build this one completely off screen and bring you back. Because we are running in about 20 minutes and I want to keep these episodes kind of short. So let's get this guy over here out of the way. And I'm going to go build his brother ship and I'll bring you back when I have that one completely finished. And I think it's going to be a little bit different. I think I went... Oh, missed one. I think I remembered what I did on my last one. I think all this under here is right. But the reason all this right here didn't come out right back here is I think the ship's cockpit was shoved about another 2 blocks this way. Right about here. And I'm going to try that on the other ship and show you the difference. So we'll cut here and I'll bring you back when Ed is finished. Alright, we back. And here is Al. And next to him is his little big brother, Ed. Yep. And as you can see, a slightly more compact design, far more closer to the design that I had in mind when I was trying to build that one. And let's see if I can pull it up here for a second. My Fiddler class ship here. That's what I was trying to recreate. But that one was done in creative and I couldn't get to the power source, the what you call them, the reactors. Anyway, that's what I was recreating from memory. And I'd come back here and look at it once or twice, and it's a little bit different now. You know, position of the thrusters are a little bit different type of thrusters, accessible reactors, always a nice thing. But anyway, definitely a little more compact. I'm gonna let Al stay the way he is, just to differentiate between the two a little more than they already are. And I don't feel like cutting all this down. But there we go. We have our builder and our deconstructor. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to be an episode slightly shorter than average. Maybe. I might try to do some speedy up bits. I don't know. There might be some footage in there I'm going to pop in there that was not being voiced. We'll see what happens there. I might extend it a little bit. But generally, that's going to be it. So you all do have yourselves a wonderful evening, and I will see you in the next episode. Good night, everybody.